Facts about dogs. Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to talk about the incredible loyalty of dogs and how they've saved their owners from dangerous situations, specifically robbery attempts. Now, you might be surprised to learn that in cases of attempted robbery, it's often the dog that comes to the rescue. It's fascinating to see how these furry friends can sense danger and react quickly to protect their loved ones. Take this adorable little dog, for example. One day, a man tried to break into his owner's house, but little did he know that the occupant was home with her faithful canine companion. As soon as the intruder stepped foot into the yard, the alert dog immediately went on high alert and started barking loudly. The thief didn't stick around long. He quickly realized he had bitten off more than he could chew. Another instance involved a burglar who thought he could sneak into an empty home unnoticed. But he was in for a surprise when a Rottweiler emerged from one of the rooms and confronted him head-on. The brave dog chased the burglar all the way back out to his car and wouldn't let him get inside. Talk about a heroic act, so there you have it. Folks, dogs are truly loyal companions who will stop at nothing to protect their owners. Always keep your furry friend safe and well cared for. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting stories like this one. Until next time, take care.